Hi my little friends, Irene George here. Welcome to my channel George's Little World. Today I'm going to read you the book The Gingerbread Man. The Gingerbread Man is a very traditional folk story retold by Macdonald and illustrated by Anja Rieger. So are you all ready? Let's start. One morning, a baker said to his wife, "Today I will bake a gingerbread man. He will look just right in our shop window." So the baker made the gingerbread man and put him in the oven. Before long, he heard a noise, a little voice from the oven saying, "Open the door, let me out." As soon as the baker opened the oven door, the gingerbread man jumped down and he ran out of the shop. The baker and his wife chased him down the street, shouting, "Come back here, you little ginger feet!" But the gingerbread man ran and ran singing, "Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I am the gingerbread man!" All the people around in the street were looking at the gingerbread man. They all were surprised. He hadn't gone far when a hungry boy joined the chase, shouting, "Come back here, you little ginger face!" But the gingerbread man ran and ran singing, "Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I am the gingerbread man!" Next he passed a hungry cow. "Come back here, you little gingerhead!" But the gingerbread man ran and ran singing, "Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I am the gingerbread man!" It wasn't long before he met a hungry horse, neighing, "Come back here, you little ginger paws!" But the gingerbread man ran and ran singing, "Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I am the gingerbread man!" Behind him chased a horse, a cow, a boy, the baker and his wife. In the woods hid a hungry fox. He said, "What's the hurry, you little ginger socks?" But the gingerbread man ran and ran singing, "Run, run as fast as you can! You can't catch me! I am the gingerbread man!" He was just thinking how clever he was when he came to a wide, wide river. The gingerbread man stopped. Now he had to think. Up crept the fox and said with a wink, "Jump onto my tail and I will take you across." The gingerbread man thanked the sly fox and he jumped onto his bushy tail. Can you see that there? The fox started to swim across the wide, wide river. Very soon he told the gingerbread man, "Little gingerbread man, you're too heavy for my tail. Why don't you jump onto my red, red back?" And so the gingerbread man jumped onto his back. Can you see a fish here telling him to look out? But soon the fox said, "Little gingerbread man, you are too heavy for my back. Why don't you jump onto my shiny black nose?" So the gingerbread man hopped onto the fox's nose. Can you see it there? The fish saying, "Oh no!" Just as they came near to the bank, the fox tossed back his head and with a flick of his neck, he tossed the gingerbread man up, up, up in the air. And then down, 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 snap! Straight into the fox's gaping mouth. Can you see that? He went into his mouth. And that was the end of the little gingerbread man. With a sly smile, the fox trotted home singing, "Run, run as fast as you can, but I caught you, little gingerbread man." So that is the end of our story. So the moral of the story is, firstly, do not be overconfident. Like in the story, how the gingerbread man was very overconfident that he would never be caught. But finally, he was caught by the fox. Secondly, be aware of trickery and do not trust anyone without consideration. Like in the story, the gingerbread man was tricked by the fox and finally he fell into his trap. So I hope you all enjoyed the story with me. For more stories, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below for more notifications. Bye for now.